today we're going to be doing the floating marker man. If you haven't done this, it's really cool to do it with your kids or whatnot. There is some science behind it, and we will get to that in a little bit. What you will need is a plate. Now, I recommend if you're going to do this, use the back and just do a quick test. You want to make sure that it wipes off your plate. And it does. So, now we're going to go over materials. You want a towel laid down underneath your plate because you are going to be using water. And you don't want to make a mess. You need a dry erase marker. I am using the Chisel Edge dry erase expo marker. And a cup of water. So once you have that, you're going to draw on your plate. Again, don't use fine china for this. Because you don't want to mess anything up. You want to draw a solid figure. Do not use thin lines, and the less details, the better. So I'm going to start with a circle. Or the equivalent thereof. Okay? You want it to dry for a few seconds. I'm going to fan it for a few seconds. You don't want to add your water immediately. And then we're going to add our water. And you want to do this slowly. I don't know if you can see that. But now there's enough water on it that it is floating. If yours does not come up immediately, you can shake it a little bit and it will come up. Now, why does that work? Well, the markers are designed to work on non-porous surfaces. And there is a resin in the marker ink that helps the ink so it doesn't stick to these surfaces. The water makes the ink buoyant so it detaches from the surface of your plate. The ink is also not soluble in water, so when the water is added, the ink doesn't just float away and dissolve, and it stays like you drew it. So that is the little bit of science behind the floating marker man, and now I'm going to talk about that on Instagram. So talk to you peeps later.